Hello and welcome back to our channel. If you want to change your TikTok account type to business, personal, or creator, today's video I'm going to show you how you can do it. So first thing first, you have to launch your TikTok. Once done, get logged into your account, tap onto your profile, you will see a page like this. Tap three bar icon, select settings and privacy. Here under account, select account itself. And if you have a personal account, you will see switch to business account or creator's account if it's available. But if you have a business account, you will see switch to personal account. Whatever your account type is, you have to tap on this switch to button. Now, if you are transferring from your personal account to business account, you have to follow these steps. So tap on next, next, and next here. And give your business any category. In my case, I'm going to give it education and training. Tap on next here. And you can also add your email address. Once done, tap on add. For now, I'm going to skip this. And you can also write your own bio. Likewise, this is all set. Now you can go ahead and visit your business suite. Just like so, guys, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching.